Tuleba, we know the cash for job scam has actually rocked Goa of late. As a Congress spokesperson and Vice President of Goa PCC, what do you have to say about this?
See, Suraj, it is very sad that what is going on, and now the what has come out is probably just the tip of the iceberg, because people were suffering in pain, and we could hear this widespread in all villages, towns. People were saying, "पैसे घेतले, आमचे job दिता म्हणून." And now, when people have come out and had the courage to speak out, we know, but nobody knows what is the extent of this scam. No police, these widespread police inquiries and the BJP clarifying all the time that all these inquiries will be taken to their logical conclusion has no meaning. Does it mean that all the other inquiries pending with the police are not taken to their logical conclusion? So these are only trying to pacify or trying to close that matter. We need an independent judicial inquiry in this. We need an inquiry which will cover all aspects of this scam. Who are the people involved? Where was this money going to? Who were the agencies and if there is any source in the departments that were promising these jobs? And for how long this has been going on? Because BJP has been in power for the last many years now, more than 10 years. So we have to come, the Goan people want to get to the depth of the scam. There are other issues that need and clarification and should come out. How many people who paid money also got the jobs? And this leads to another situation. How many meritorious students, boys and girls who are qualified and were deserving these jobs are today left jobless? Is it not a big injustice on all our Goan people? Who are these agents? Who had appointed these agents? Everything should come clear, and only a judicial inquiry, I think, will get to the bottom and to the depth of this scam for the sake of Goan people.
As a Congress spokesperson, I just want to ask you, what would be the Congress stand? The Congress has been making some wild allegations, but what would the Congress party basically take up this?
Our party president and our leader of the opposition also has the official stand of the party in Goa. In fact, you must have heard a press conference addressed in Delhi by Shri Alokji Sharma on this matter. The government, the party has taken this very seriously at the highest level, because allegations of corruption against the BJP government have been made consistently in the past, and none other than the ex-governor of Goa, Shri Satyapal Malik, who has made allegations. Nobody has denied such allegations. So we need to know all these issues, why these allegations were made, why these allegations were not denied, because it is after all the good and the well-being of the Goan people that is at stake, and the fair name of Goa that is being tarnished all over with this type of things, that jobs are being sold.